Autoleap versus Tekmetric versus Shopmonkey, my honest review. In this video, I'll share my honest review of Autoleap, Tekmetric, and Shopmonkey to help you pick the right auto repair shop software.
So to get started, Autoleap offers deep automation with digital inspections, two-way texting, and built-in marketing. Tekmetric is designed for speed, great for shops with fast turnover and multiple techs. ShopMonkey is ideal for new shops needing simplicity with great UI and easy customer communication. Autoleap's learning curve is steeper, but it handles growing shop needs better than the rest. Tekmetric wins on multiple location management and efficient workflow tracking. ShopMonkey excels in customer-friendly scheduling and transparent invoicing. When it comes to price, ShopMonkey is on the higher end. Tekmetric is mid-range and Autoleap varies based on shop size. All three offer free demos, so testing is crucial. If you're scaling fast and want deep integrations, Autoleap might be the worst investment. Tekmetric is perfect for speed and performance based focused shops. If you're just getting started and want clean workflows without the overwhelm, go with ShopMonkey. Each has pros and cons. It really comes down to your team's workflow and budget. And that's my honest review of Autoleap versus Tekmetric versus ShopMonkey.